Hello everyone, today we shall be discussing why improved Kienyeji is a better option for farmers and why I decided to settle on Kroira improved Kienyeji farming. We have several Kienyeji breeds that are listed here in Kenya, and they include Kali, Kroira, Rainbow Rooster, Sasso, and Ken Blue. These breeds are known for their fast growth rates and high egg production compared to traditional Kienyeji chickens. Now let us see why you should keep improved Kienyeji chickens. Because they have a high productivity in terms of meat and egg production. This improved chicken, if you feed them well and the correct ratio, and also look for a good breed, they will grow well and they will produce well. Now in meat production, some improved Kienyeji chickens at 5 months you can sell them for meat. Cocks can weigh 2 to 5 kgs and hens 1 to 2 kgs when fully matured. So you can start getting your money as early as 5 months and good money. And this depends on your choice of bird you want because they grow differently. They also start laying from 5 to 6 months and their eggs fetch a bit higher in price than the rear's eggs. Pure Kienyeji can go up to 7 to 1 month to 1 year without an egg. They are due purpose raised for both meat and egg production. Improved Kienyeji chickens, they are disease resistant and they are generally more resistant to diseases. Therefore, you should consider vaccinating your birds and maintaining good bird security and also observing cleanliness in your chicken house and by disinfecting your coop regularly and also maintaining cleanliness in your equipment, that is feeders and drinkers should be clean always and feed them clean feed and clean water. They can also adapt to local conditions. Improved Kienyeji chickens can adapt to any environmental conditions, and this makes it a good breed to keep in different areas. Also can be raised in both free range and semi-intensive system, making them suitable for various farming practices. They can be fed by local feed like greens, insects, and kitchen leftovers. So raising Kienyeji chicken is cheaper than any other breed. They have a higher egg production and certain breeds can lay more eggs annually, between 200 and 250 eggs compared to traditional Kienyeji chickens. In order to have a higher production of eggs, you should choose breeds like Ken Blue, Kroira, or Rainbow Rooster, which has a higher egg production compared to traditional Kienyeji breeds. For your hens to give you eggs, you have to do the following. Provide a balanced diet that is formulated for laying hens, that is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, and you should give your chickens layers when they start laying. You can also supplement them with calcium. You can use DCP, or you can also feed them with their eggshells. You crush them well and mix with their feeds, or give them that way to support strong eggshell formation. For your chicken to have a good environment, provide adequate space for each hen to reduce stress and competition for resources. Handle your chicken well to avoid stress and decrease in egg production. Monitor egg production, feed consumption, the right ratio, and health records to identify areas for improvement. By implementing these strategies, you can improve egg production in your improved Kienyeji chicken flock and maximize your returns. Also try to monitor your hens closely for signs of illness and isolate sick birds immediately. Improved Kienyeji chicken has quality meat and desirable taste and texture of traditional Kienyeji chicken. Their meat is tender and sweet, and their traditional flavors makes them a popular choice for customers. It also have a lower fat content compared to some other breeds, making it a healthier option. They are more uniform in size and quality than traditional Kienyeji, which can be more valuable. Why you should consider improved Kienyeji, they have a high selling cost than the rest of the breeds. They also have a great demand in the market because of their big body than the traditional Kienyeji, considering the taste is almost the same, and so people they don't differentiate the taste. Improved Kienyeji farming is also profitable because of faster growth and increased egg production, and this makes them good for farmers. You can also make money through selling of chicks, whether day-old chicks or any size you want. Market for improved Kienyeji is high because consumption of their meat is so high, and they are popular in both local and urban markets due to their taste and quality. When we are rearing this chicken, we also reduce the cost of buying protein because we consume the eggs and the chicken. Improved Kienyeji chickens has a better feed conversion, so they convert feed into meat and eggs more efficiently, reducing feed cost and increasing profitability. They also have a lower initial investment because they are less expensive to purchase chicks than commercial breeds, making more affordable option for small-scale farmers. Kienyeji chicken farming can be a valuable source of income for farmers, particularly in areas where other agricultural opportunities are limited. Their eggs are also rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, providing a nutritious food source for customers. In order to maintain them in your farm and in good health, you need to do the following. Feed them well with quality feed that will make them grow quickly and reach market price in good time. And if it is eggs, you get your eggs on time. And supply them with clean water. Prevent your chicken from diseases by observing good hygiene, by cleaning your chicken coop and disinfecting the feeders and drinkers. Some people believe that Kienyeji chickens cannot get sick easily, and this is not true because if you don't take good care of them, you will lose your birds due to diseases like coccidiosis, Newcastle. So, what you need to do is to vaccinate your birds to keep your chickens free from diseases, and also by not letting so many visitors in your chicken farm. Also make sure you have good houses for your chicken that are comfortable, and if you do all this, your improved chicken farming will be so enjoyable and you will earn good income from your chicken. I hope you have learned something from this video and you'll choose wisely the breed you want to start with. Thank you so much for watching. Continue watching our videos and supporting the channel and also joining our membership. Thank you so much for those who are joining. And if you are very new to this channel, I'm Esther and the channel name is Esther Farm. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye for now. Let's meet in another one. Be blessed.